All right, welcome back, third grade. We are on lesson 2-5, part 2 of the multi-step number problems. This means that we have 2 number models for each number story. Okay, let's listen along as we read our problem of the morning.
Math message. James shares 10 grapes equally with his sister. Then he eats 3 of his grapes. How many grapes does James have left? Use pictures, words, or numbers to show your work.
All right, so on a separate sheet of paper or whiteboard or whatever you're using, let's solve this problem. So think of what we know and think of what we have to find out. James shares 10 grapes equally with his sister. So he has 10 grapes and he shares them, keyword, equally, 10 grapes equally with his sister. Figure that out first. Then he eats 3 of his grapes. Okay, I can picture that in my head, but it asks how many grapes does James have left? This is the ultimate problem we want to solve, but we're going to have to use 2 steps to figure it out. I want you to put me in pause, figure this out on your own, and then unpause me and we'll go through it together when you have it completed. Go ahead. Okay, if you're back with me, you have tried this problem. If not, you keep putting me on pause, then unpause me. Okay, let's think about this. We have James and we have his sister, right? So I'm going to draw James and I'm going to draw his sister. Between them, they have 10 grapes because James shares them equally. How can I figure out, how to split 10 grapes equally? Well, I know there's 2 people, so I know I can divide 10 in half, right? And then James gets half of 10, and his sister gets half of 10. Could I also make tallies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and count all the way up till I get to 10, and then that would be an even amount? I could, but I know that half of 10 is 5. So James has 5 grapes, and his sister has 5 grapes. 5 plus 5 is 10. That's what they equaled. Or I'm counting 5 how many times? 1, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Great, we have our grapes equally split between him and his sister. Now what do we have to do? Then he eats 3 of his grapes. Oh boy. He has how many grapes right now? He has 5. Then he eats 3. So he takes away 3. And now how many grapes does he have left? So my first number model, you should have 2 number models. I'm going to do 2 times 5, actually 10 divided by, and I'm not going to be able to use that symbol, 2 equals 5. Why would that be my first number model? Why would 10 divided by 2 equal 5 be my first number model? Because we started with 2 grapes, and then what did we do? We split them into 2 equal parts, 1, 2. I need to split 10 into 2 groups. So I divided it by 2. And why does it equal 5? It's because each person got 5. That is my first number model. Then my next number model was he eats 3 of them. So I take the 5 that James has, and my second number model, which is going to be the answer to my story, 5 take away 3 is 2. How many grapes does James have left? You must include an answer with a label or the unit. So he has, how many grapes does he have left? Well, he has